Q4 ക്വിസിൽ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് സെറ്റ് എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ഇക്കണോമിക്സ് പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വാൾറസ് ലോ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ് ദാറ്റ് ദ സം ഓഫ് ദ എക്സസ് ഡിമാൻഡ് ഫോർ മണി, ബോണ്ട്സ് ആൻഡ് കറൻറ്റ് ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് മസ്റ്റ് ഈക്വൽ. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് നെഗറ്റീവ്, പോസിറ്റീവ്, സീറോ, നൺ ഓഫ് ദി എബോവ്. ആൻസർ സീറോ. Walras law states that the sum of the excess demand for money, bonds and current output must equal 0. Next question. Impossible trinity refers to the dilemma that a country cannot simultaneously have control over a options fixed exchange rate, monetary policy and maintain an open capital account. Option B, budget deficit, current account and flexible exchange rate. Option C, fiscal policy, monetary policy and budget policy. Option D, none of the above. Answer option A, fixed exchange rate, monetary policy and maintain an open capital account. Impossible trinity refers to the dilemma that a country cannot simultaneously have control over a answer fixed exchange rate, monetary policy and maintain an open capital account. Next question, how does expansionary monetary policy affects the rate of interest and level of income? Option A, lowers both rate of interest and level of income. Option B, raises the ratio of interest but lowers the level of income. Option C, raises the level of income but lowers the rate of interest. Option D, increase the rate of interest and level of income. Answer option C, raises the level of income but lowers the rate of interest. How does expansionary monetary policy affect the rate of interest and level of income? Answer, raises the level of income but lowers the rate of interest. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, Keynes effect arises because variation in price level changes. Options, option A, real quantity of money. Option B, transaction velocity of money. Option C, money wage rate. D, none of the above. Answer option A, real quantity of money. Keynes effect arises because variation in price level changes real quantity of money. Next question, velocity of money circulation means. Option A, the average turnover of money in a period relative to national income. Option B, the ratio of money demand to interest rate. Option C, the ratio of money demand to supply of high powered money. Option D, the ratio of money demand to money supply. Answer, the average turnover of money in a period relative to national income. Velocity of money circulation means the average turnover of money in a period relative to national income. Next question, which of the following is true of IS curve when transfer payments are increased? Option A, IS curve will shift to the left. Option B, slope of the IS curve will increase. Option C, IS curve will shift to right. D, IS curve will not affected. Answer option C, IS curve will shift to right. Which of the following is true of IS curve when transfer payments are increased? Answer, IS curve will shift to right. Next question, if central bank wants to sterilize an inflow of foreign exchange, it should. Options A, lower the bank rate. B, sell government securities in the open market. C, buy government securities in the open market. D, lower the CRR. Answer option B, sell government securities in the open market. If central bank wants to sterilize an inflow of foreign exchange, it should sell government securities in the open market. Next question, the price level and purchasing power of money. Options A, are always equal. Option B, are not related in any immediate way. Option C, vary directly. Option D, vary inversely. Answer option D, vary inversely. The price level and purchasing power of money. Answer option D, vary inversely. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, when the central bank changes the bank rate, Option A, it affects the amount of borrowings by the commercial banks. Option B, it affects the amount of borrowings by the public from the banks. Option C, it affects the lending rate of the commercial banks. Option D, all of the above. Answer option D ആണ് all of the above. When the central bank changes the bank rate, ആൻസർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് all of the above. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, it affects the amount of borrowings by the commercial bank. It affects the amount of borrowings by the public from the banks. It affects the lending rate of the commercial banks. Next question. The Reserve Bank of India was established in option A, 1945, 1951, 1935, 1949. Answer 1951. The Reserve Bank of India was established in 1951. Next question. Monetarists would say that the primary cause of inflation is option A, the lack of fiscal responsibility. Option B, too fast a rate of increase in money supply. Option C, high interest rates which increase the cost of borrowings. Option D, unstable investment demand. Answer option B, too fast a rate of increase in money supply. Monetarists would say that the primary cause of inflation is answer too fast a rate of increase in money supply. Next question. Fisher index uses option A, arithmetic average. Option B, geometric average. Option C, harmonic average. D, all the above. Answer option B, geometric average. Fisher index uses geometric average. Next question. Square of standard deviation is dash. Option A, correlation. Option B, mean deviation. Option C, variance. Option D, none of the above. Answer option C, variance. Square of standard deviation is dash. Answer variance. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. Geometric mean of two regression coefficient is option A, mean. Option B, dispersion. Option C, variance. Option D, correlation. Answer option D, correlation. Geometric mean of two regression coefficient is answer option D ആണ് correlation. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. Coefficients of correlation is independent of option A, change of scale. Option B, change of origin. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Answer option C, both A and B. Coefficient of correlation is independent of option A, change of scale, and option B, change of origin. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. A contact curve option A is a locus of points of intersection of two individual indifference curve. Option B is locus of all points of tangency of two individual difference curve in an Edgeworth box. Option C is a locus of all Pareto inefficient points in an Edgeworth box. Option D, none of the above. Answer option B is locus of all points of tangency of two individual difference curve in an Edgeworth box. A contact curve is locus of all points of tangency of two individual difference curve in an Edgeworth box. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. If a pair of dice is thrown, find the probability that the sum is neither 7 nor 11. Option A, 7 by 9. Option B, 2 by 9. Option C, 1 by 3. Option D, 4 by 9. Answer option A, 7 by 9. If a pair of dice is thrown, find the probability that the sum is neither 7 nor 11. Answer option A ആണ് 7 by 9. Next question. The feasible region in a graphical representation of a linear programming problem is indicated by the option A, objective function. Option B, structural constraint. Option C, non-negatively constraints. Option D, both B and C. Answer option D, both B and C ആണ് structural constraint and non-negatively constraints. The feasible region in a graphical representation of a linear programming problem is indicated by the structural constraints and non-negatively constraints. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. correlation between the explanatory variables in a regression model is known as option A heteroscedasticity, option B multicollinearity, option C autocorrelation, option D simultaneous equation bias. Answer option B ആണ് multicollinearity. Correlation between the explanatory variables in a regression model is known as answer multicollinearity. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, Frisch's confluence analysis is used to detect option A heteroscedasticity, option B errors in variables, option C multicollinearity, option D autocorrelation. Answer option C ആണ് multicollinearity. Frisch's confluence analysis is used to detect multicollinearity. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, coefficient of variation is given by answer option A standard deviation by mean into 100, option B mean by standard deviation into 100, option C mean into standard deviation into 100, option D none of the above. Answer standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Coefficient of variation is given by standard deviation by mean into 100. Next question, the coefficient of kurtosis is greater than 3. The curve will be option A mesokurtic, option B leptokurtic, option C plekurtic, option D none of the above. Answer option B leptokurtic. The coefficient of kurtosis is greater than 3. The curve will be leptokurtic. Next question, which percentile is equivalent to the median? Option A 50th, option B 75th, option C 25th, option D 100. Answer option A 50th. Which percentile is equivalent to the median? Answer option A 50th. Next question, the summation of the linear deviations from the mean for a set of data will always be option A negative number, option B the absolute value of the mean, option C 0, option D none of the above. Answer option C 0. The summation of the linear deviations from the mean for a set of data will always be 0. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, which is the highest populated state in India according to 2011 census? Option Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala. Answer Uttar Pradesh. Which is the highest populated state in India according to 2011 census? Answer Uttar Pradesh. Next question, country with the highest human development index rank in 2014? Option A Norway, B Switzerland, C US, D Netherlands. Answer option A Norway. Country with the highest human development index rank in 2014. Answer Norway. Next question, in 1868 the first attempt to measure national income was made by option A Dadabhai Naoroji, option B Finlay Shrias, option C Wadia and Joshi, option D Dr. VKRV Rao. Answer option A Dadabhai Naoroji. In 1868 the first attempt to measure national income was made by Dadabhai Naoroji. SET exam inde previous year economics question paper ആണെന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.